Hello and welcome to the lecture. Now let's say that instead of filtering, you want to perform a transformation on each number of an array, like multiply each number by 2 or add 2 to each number of the array. So for that we use the map instead of the filter, and the syntax is similar. So map here is the higher order function which accepts this lambda as an argument, and the lambda function in this case requires the numbers to be multiplied by 2. So if we run this, that is what happens. It multiplies each of these numbers by 2. Suppose we want to add 2 instead of multiply each number in the array by 2, then that is also doable, and as easy as pie, we just change the multiplication sign to addition. So once again, to summarize, map is like the filter, and it is a higher order function, and we pass the lambda function to it, which just mentions the transformation that we want to be done for each element of that collection.
Now lastly, as always, if there are any questions about the content, please do let me know in the comments below. Also, if you would like me to cover any more programming topics, please also let me know in the comments below. And finally, since this is a new channel, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and please click on the bell icon to be notified about future video uploads.